Hello! In this guide we'll create the same Hello IntraWeb application, but this time using TypeScript instead of JavaScript. If you haven't yet installed the IntraWeb 17 extension for Visual Studio Code, please follow the instruction from the previous guide where we covered how to install the extension and initialize a project in VS Code. Let's begin by switching to the TypeScript environment. After running the initialize command, you should see two folders, JavaScript and TypeScript. Since we are building a TypeScript version, we open the TypeScript folder in VS Code. Inside the demos folder, create a new folder named Hello. This is where we'll place all the files for our TypeScript-based application. Inside, create a file index.html. We include some meta text to prevent caching during development. Next, loading the main IntraWeb JS runtime, which powers everything behind the scenes. Finally, in the body, we add a simple message. The next step creates a file called index.iwml in the same folder. This layout defines a vertical stack with a welcome message and a button labeled Say Hello. Now create a file called index.ts with our logic. This defines a page class index inside the namespace hello. When the user click the button, an alert message will appear. TypeScript will automatically be completed by JavaScript during the build process. To run the application, we need to change configuration. Open the file VS Code, launch JSON, and just like we did with the JavaScript version, add a new debug configuration for hello. Change name and path. Go to Run and Debug. On the left panel, select Hello, click the green play button or press F5. Chrome will open and load your Hello IntraWeb app. Click the Say Hello button and you should see the message. And that's it. You'll successfully build your first IntraWeb 17 application using TypeScript in VS Code. Happy coding with IntraWeb 17.